Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Ross County and southwestern Ohio, east central Fayette County, Ohio, southwestern Pickaway County, until 7 p.m. At 6:33 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located over Washington, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, penny-size hail. Locations impacted include Washington Courthouse, Washington, Bloomingburg, New Holland, Staunton, Paintersburg, Jasper Mills, Deer Creek Lake, State Route 207 at U.S. Route 22 in Plano. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Now for the official